As you guys seen, the process already started. The inverter is down, and check this out, sitting right down here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mount this one to the other box just like this, which is the Magnum Mini series, or Magnum, the MMP series Mini Magnum panel. That's gonna be just like this, and it's gonna sit, it's just gonna look just like this one, exactly, all the way down. That's how I'm gonna set up this one. But before doing that, yesterday the thing came, I'm gonna be cleaning it up and make sure wipe it down. I already disinfected that yesterday, so I'm gonna come and mount it up here, mount this inverter there, and after that, I think I can able to do some of my wiring here. Since it's down, then I can able to connect everything and mount it back up there. Doing so is going to be easy transition to do everything. Okay, all right, stay tuned for that. Having the box up there will be really a good it's going to be easier having a box up. Then I can just take the inverter and set it back there and parallel it to these terminals. That's going to be the bus bars there. That's where it's going to connect. It's going to sit and connect the terminals there. Okay, and it's going to be way easier. Stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe. Well, this is the project. It's already started again, and guys, this is what we doing here, getting the box out and trying to get it all prepped. And this is what it is. If you have never seen the box, the MMP load center combiner box, AC/DC. So guys, this is what it is. So yeah, so that's the inverter right there, and I'm gonna see, I can't able to tell you the year. It's 2017 right there. See that? 2017. So sorry for the shake. And that's the cover. I got a little kind of stickiness or glue or whatever rubbed into this. Trying to clean it up so they can be so clean and nice. And I'm gonna try and mount this thing up here, and this is what it is. Let's see how we're gonna put it up there without flunking anything. All right, I think I made it for some reason. Okay, stay tuned as we come back. I left one of the bolts here, supposed to put in. Okay, so now probably I can able to hook this thing up now. Stay with me. It's gonna be a bumpy road. Well, this is what it is. One side gets in there, and let's see how we're gonna get this other side. What happened here? It's supposed to fit right there. Some reason, I don't know. Stay tuned. Alright guys, the box is already in. As you guys see, it's identical right here. Set this guy up. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get these the inverter is gonna sit on top here. These are the terminals they're gonna sit. They make this thing to play. This is how it is. It's tight enough, but they all design them to do even the same thing so that you can able to align the inverter properly. Excuse me. So I'm just gonna drop the inverter. It's gonna sit right here. Gonna put some 2 bolts here. So it sits right here, sits right there, and the hood sits right there. So by doing so, we're gonna be all set. And started doing the bus bar. It has a bus bar, a shunt, sorry, and a shunt right there. So stay tuned, see how everything goes. Okay, I already screwed down the box. I have to use a long socket and ratchet and all the way, so it's in. I will see if I can try to put the inverter up, but this wire I already have here, I have to take it out, which is the AC part of it. I'm gonna be facing some trouble with it because I have to get this one rewired again. So let's see how everything works out. Alright guys, this is how far I've gone, and right up there I'm gonna put the hood on that right there, and I'm doing the wiring now. Stay tuned. Now both hoods are up, and let's see how level they are. Look at that, to the dot. Okay, if I bring this one a little bit, then right there, all level. So this is what we're dealing with right now, and we're gonna go about finishing up all the wiring. I got my big heavy duty wire right there for the other inverter to this one. Okay, stay tuned. This is gonna be the master, and that's gonna be the slave. All right guys, everything is done. Here's the new looks. Few more things to adjust. Trying to put the MEARTR router, and trying to link this system together. So right now I switched to the grid so I can able to work right now because the system shut down, and do my thing here. And after that, I gotta go back out and get off the grid because I don't want to use none of their power. Okay, believe it or not guys, the rest of the winter, all that cold weather, I think I have to do bill, to read my bill again, start to do that. And I only burn, for the winter, I only burn $35, so this is just impressive. So I'm doing like probably $15, $15. So it's getting warm a little bit, then that's the time or maybe probably charging the batteries once in a while. So I see, the bill sometimes go like $35 or something. It's like a bad weather, but all the same, everything is perfectly fine. But just for the other stuff, like the dryer is on the grid. So I think that's the one that gives me, mostly because wintertime you're trying to wash clothes, and when this COVID started, we use more of the washer, and the dryer, because of 240, and I didn't get all the system program yet. You guys understand what I was going through that time. Well, anyway, this is what it is, and this is the system, and it's almost done. And thank you guys for support, and all the best. Live from Minnesota, JW Solar USA. Love you guys all. Bye for now. Like and subscribe.